The burning wind of the polar doorway to hell, the scourge of God, I salute you. The Arctic. Attention is suddenly locked on the northern kingdom of ice. The center of global policy is shifting here. The attention of the world's greatest states is directed to it. A struggle for the polar resources of the Earth is unfolding here beneath our eyes and with our participation. It is getting warmer near the cold borders of Russia today. The Arctic will be divided soon. Many greedy eyes look towards Russia, which has the largest mineral resource base and an enormous territory, and now is claiming a significant slice of the Arctic economy. Arctic fever is picking up steam. For the moment, Russia is just concentrating its power and facilities, and there is still some time to change the intricate situation in this polar region. Russia's Arctic facade has been weakened considerably. 20 years ago, the state left its northern territories, ended polar research, the invention of new technologies, and the staff training programs. Nowadays, willing or not, Russia must define its place in the polar project of the 21st century. It is necessary to look back in history and assert a right for the future. So here we have returned, as usual, with firmness. We have shaken the world political morass by our return to the seventh continent. We have shaken it. And now policy and advertisement have to be switched to the field of marine geology and other Arctic sciences. The State Scientific Center of the Russian Federation, the Arctic and Antarctic Research Institute present a new television project, The Time of Polar Countries. In a series of scientific and publicizing films, scientists and politicians, economists and historians will help to form a Russian view of the Arctic project, to reconstruct events of the past and to try to envisage the future by televisional technologies, to estimate the gains and the losses of the industrial exploration of the Arctic shelf. Soon, the fascinating race for sea routes crossing the top of the world will start. Just imagine the Arctic without icebreakers. And again, we have to recall history, to catch on to the reasons for Russia's territorial claim, to get wise about global climate change, and to respond to the other vexed questions of our time. So now we have an opportunity to decide who will get this marvelous, if slightly melted desert, this not made by human hand miracle. But this miracle is revealed only to him who comes to it by himself. Because the time is coming when global policy will be the time of polar countries.